Aye, Mac. Mackie, what happened? Earthquake? Earthquake here? The house?
Yeah.
And the boat in the trees. What happened? This is the boat in the house. What happened?
It's the big window there. The store anchor is not work because the only sand.
I wanted to ask Kathy to translate, but not good idea.
Yeah.
Am I angry? It's okay. Okay. Shall we have a look in the boat? Shall we change the Titanic?
No, it's
We change the name, Titanic. Yellow submarine, oi.
Yeah.
Gang, hi. Okay, we're gonna have a look at the boat now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. But the boat came from the sea,
Yeah.
big waves, into the house. Then is the boat. Aye, Linda. Very expensive, this one. Hey, it's Linda boat, make the house partij. We'll see. It's now low tide, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see it's still big waves, huh? Yeah. Yesterday, how high? What? How high here?
That's the long.
Oh, over?
Yeah.
Inside the houses?
Yes.
Aye. Oh my goodness! Accident! Hey, Mac! Where's the Feyenoord flag? Inside? Ah, very important. Okay, Mac, we look at the damage now. What damage here? The boat is in the trees and in the house. Voelen we nou net een schade-expert van Nationale Nederlanden. Ai. But this is not the same side as last time.
Yeah.
Last time was the other side. Yeah, good job, well done. Well done. So the old one replaced. Oh my goodness. No snakes here? No snake?
No, no more.
No more snake? Oh my goodness. Well, I think you hear the wind here. It's howling. Hey Mac, typhoon coming? I hear 29 typhoon coming. Maybe. The boat safe here?
Yeah, the rope is the...
Mac, if big waves coming, is safe here?
Yeah.
Not into Barangay Polo? Ah. See, the rope is to the tree there. But maybe we pull out the tree. Aye, but this one also partij now here. Already?
Yeah, last time.
Oh, wait, this is from last time?
Yeah.
Not repair yet. Ah, okay.
It's not fitting because the...
Hey, but Mac, why this one not repair? This one not yet? No bamboo? Aye. Okay, you buy another one.
Yeah,
We buy it first.
yeah, first.
Okay, but hey, Mac, Linda is owner, so Linda should pay, but I pay that side, yeah? So, Mac, yes, Alex, no Christmas, Orlando? Maybe no New Year? Maybe Easter? From now on, Letsshare.tv living in Polo. Officer? Mackie. Hey, I know, Mac, I know everybody nearly crying yesterday, but hey. Still Mackie alive? Still Alex alive? And Jimmy Joe also alive, yeah? Most important. Bamboo we can buy. Mackie we cannot buy. Yeah?
Right.
First the body like to come here. Huh?
No money.
What? No, but hey, Alex no more. Nee, that's excellent, yeah. Bamboo is only bamboo. Crew is most important. Okay, Letsshare.tv! Leuk joh! Hey Mac, where's the boat for Kathy? Also partij? Small boat? Oh my goodness. sorry.